Hello friend, once again welcome on board, and based on the request about the oil debris monitoring system of CFM LEAP engine, we'll go quickly about this. What is this ODMS, what is the function, and where it is located in CFM LEAP-1A engine. So basically this oil debris monitoring system to ensure the continued safe operation of the engine. Oil debris monitoring system function used to detect metal particles contamination of the oil system. This monitor the scavenge oil return to the oil tank for the metallic particle. Basically, ODMS consists of the following component: air separator mounted on the top of the oil tank, ODM sensor mounted on the side of the air oil separator on the oil tank, ODM signal conditioner unit mounted at 4 o'clock position at the rear of the fan case just below the PSS box, pressure subsystem box. So check the image bottom left side, oil debris monitoring system sensor which is installed on the oil tank with the air separator. This retain the magnetic particle and send the signal to ODMS unit. Second one is the air oil separator. This will remove the air from the scavenge oil system. Third right bottom side if you see the oil debris monitoring system unit. This will condition the signal before sending it to the EC unit, and if there is a harness to connect the ODMS sensor to ODMS unit. So this is the complete assembly about the oil debris monitoring system. So if you talk about the ODMS sensor, this is made of stainless steel body with it mounted on the flange and integrated cable equipped with the connector. Magnetic sensing element captures the ferrous particle for detection and retain them for future inspection. When ferrous particle are captured, it generates an output pulses proportional to the particle mass, and pulses is sent to the ODMS unit through the output cable. If you talk about the detailed inspection of ODM sensors, CFM recommended to perform this task only when requested by another AMM or TSM or scheduled maintenance task or CFM instruction. When customer notification report is received, make sure to perform this task within the customer notification report urgency requirement. Chip count can be reset from the MCDU. Check my YouTube channel about the special function of MCDU. And if chip count is 0, no further action is required. If chip count value is more than 0, you have to do a check for fault of the ODMS and do an oil debris reset. And if you found the material, carefully remove the particle from the ODMS with the clean lint-free cloth and keep on the paper. Take the picture for further troubleshooting. Check the particle size with magnifying glass and do a troubleshooting according to the air maintenance manual. Just few points from the AMM. Normal was only 0.10 mm is not expected with the calm warning. If you find only very fine particle like powder less than 0.10 mm, that is normal fuzz in any. If chip count value is equal to 0, no further action required in this scenario. If chip count value is more than 0, do an oil debris reset to reset the chip count value. If you find the particle that is larger than 0.10 mm, that is abnormal fuzz in any dimension of the magnetic tip of the ODMS sensor. And if the chip count value is equal to 0, do a check for fault isolation of ODMS as per TSM. And if the chip count value is more than 0, do not reset the ODMS, analyze the particle, do a check of the ABC sum and accessory gearbox and transfer gearbox sums, scavenge screen plug for further troubleshooting. Already screen plug regarding I have uploaded video. Please go through that video for more detail, and do a check of air turbine starter magnetic plug also. So regarding the sensor, I have attached lot of the images how the particle are on the available on the tip, how you can identify what can be the dimension for the analyzing the report. And if you love this video, please like and subscribe for getting more video on Airbus 320 family. And if you don't love the video, please watch again for better understanding. Once you understand, then again come back to my channel.